In today's digital landscape, video content has become an essential part of how we consume information, entertainment, and inspiration. With the rise of social media and video sharing platforms, creators are constantly looking for ways to produce engaging videos that capture audiences' attention and leave a lasting impression. The million-dollar question is, what makes a video go viral and garner millions of views? One of the biggest challenges creators face is producing content that resonates with their audience. It's easy to get lost in the sea of videos out there, and it can be frustrating to pour your heart and soul into a project only to see it fall flat. Another challenge is keeping up with the ever-changing trends and algorithms of social media platforms. What worked yesterday may not work today, and it can be overwhelming to stay on top of it all. Many creators struggle to find their unique voice and style, making it hard to stand out from the crowd. And even with great content, getting it seen by the right people can be a hurdle. So, what makes a video engaging? For me, it all starts with storytelling. A good story can transport you to another world, evoke emotions, and create a connection with the viewer. Visuals are also crucial. High-quality footage, clever editing, and a dash of creativity can make a huge difference. But it's not just about the technical aspects, it's also about understanding your audience and creating content that speaks to them. When you can connect with your viewers on a deeper level, you build trust and loyalty. And that's when the magic happens. My top secret to creating engaging videos is to focus on authenticity and vulnerability. I believe that when you're genuine and open with your audience, they can sense it. I make it a point to share personal anecdotes, be honest about my struggles, and showcase my passions. By doing so, I've seen a significant increase in engagement and a more loyal following. Another key strategy is to experiment and take risks. Don't be afraid to try new things and push the boundaries of what's possible. And finally, I believe in the power of community. Engaging with my audience, responding to comments, and creating a dialogue has helped me build a loyal fan base. To recap, creating engaging videos that garner millions of views requires a combination of storytelling, visuals, audience connection, and authenticity. By understanding your audience, being true to yourself, and taking risks, you can increase your chances of going viral. It's not a formula, but rather a mindset, one that requires creativity, experimentation, and a willingness to learn. In the comments section, viewers began to share their stories, recounting their own struggles and breakthroughs in video production. A vibrant dialogue emerged, filled with enthusiasm and encouragement as creators discussed innovative ideas and shared their unique perspectives on overcoming obstacles. Some expressed their gratitude for the tips, stating how they've inspired them to push their creative boundaries further. One commenter wrote, "I never thought of storytelling as the key to engagement. Now, I feel empowered to craft my own narratives." This sense of community ignited a spark of motivation among many, fostering a safe space for collaboration and growth. As the exchanges continued, a particular commenter caught my attention. "Your advice on authenticity really resonated with me. I've always hesitated to share my true feelings out of fear of judgment." This sentiment seemed to echo throughout the comments, highlighting a shared struggle among creators. Several others chimed in, expressing their appreciation for the reminder that vulnerability is a strength, not a weakness. They began to brainstorm ways to incorporate their authentic selves into their upcoming projects, creating a wave of inspiration that flowed through the thread like electricity. This openness fostered not only creativity but also a deeper connection within the community. As the ripple effect of inspiration spread, I took a moment to respond to this particular commenter, encouraging them to embrace their true selves. "Sharing your journey can resonate deeply with others," I replied, "and it's often in our authenticity that we connect most profoundly." Other viewers began to express their excitement about embarking on this new journey of genuine storytelling, with one enthusiastically stating, "I'll start sharing my failures along with successes. It's all part of the process." The atmosphere in the comments was electric, with conversations building upon each other, stirring an exciting anticipation for what would come next in their video creations. As the discussions flourished, I noticed more viewers sharing specific techniques they plan to implement in their next videos. One creator shared, "I want to experiment with color grading to evoke different emotions," while another chimed in, "I'm going to collaborate with friends to showcase varied perspectives." This eagerness to innovate was infectious, fueling the collective momentum in the comments section. Each suggestion sparked further dialogue, as others offered additional insights and support, creating a rich tapestry of collaboration. The commitment to craft and authenticity lent a nurturing feel to the exchange, highlighting a community that not only seeks to elevate their own work but also lifts one another up in the pursuit of greatness. As the conversation continued, I noticed more participants overcoming their hesitations, sharing ideas that terrified yet excited them. One viewer noted, "I'm ready to tackle a live video, even though the idea intimidates me." This acknowledgement of fear fostered a sense of solidarity, as many expressed their own struggles with diving into uncharted territories of content creation. Another commenter mentioned experimenting with storytelling formats, saying, "I'm thinking of trying out a vlog style to give viewers a behind-the-scenes look." The creative energy in the thread reached new heights, prompting several others to share similar aspirations. The atmosphere was electric, charged with the thrill of shared vulnerability and the promise of growth ahead. As the excitement grew, I recognized that this was more than just a comment section, it was a thriving hub of inspiration. Creators began strategizing how to support one another, suggesting themed challenges, where each week, they would share videos centered on a specific topic or technique. One participant proposed, "Why not dedicate a week to storytelling techniques? We can all dive deep and share our findings." This idea was met with overwhelming enthusiasm, as it evolved into a collaborative initiative that would further strengthen their bond. Everyone felt the weight of a shared mission to explore creativity together, reinforcing the belief that their individual journeys could collectively elevate the quality of their content. Realizing the potential for growth, I joined the conversation, suggesting, "What if we all create a playlist of our favorite storytelling videos to inspire each other?" The response was immediate and enthusiastic, with many eager to contribute. As the playlist began to take shape, excitement filled the air, reminding everyone that collaboration was the heartbeat of creativity. Each participant felt a renewed sense of purpose, understanding that their shared experiences could not only enhance their skills but also foster lasting connections. Together, they would embark on this journey, transforming challenges into triumphs within their vibrant community. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video.